Welcome to my channel. My name is Tammicia, and I realized in 3 years of recording, I have never done an intro. I've never done a channel intro, a welcome to my channel, and about me video. So I figured I would sit down and do that today. For one, a lot has changed. A lot has changed. Wow. And two, I haven't uploaded a video since December, I think. Yeah, wow. So 6 months? 6 months since I've seen you guys. So I just wanted to start by saying welcome and welcome back. It's a little weird recording because I haven't done it's been a minute, but anyhow, I just wanted to take the time to give a brief introduction, check in with you guys, catch up with you guys, and just see how everyone is doing. But yeah, so for the third time, my name is Tammicia, and for the most part, actually, about 99% of my previous videos have been all food related and recipes. That is my passion. I love to cook. I have been cooking as far back as I can remember. Some of my earliest memories have always been in the kitchen. I love to cook. I love to create recipes. I love to cook for my family, and I love to share those recipes with you guys. But going forward, I do want to share a bit more about myself on my channel. And because we all, we're more than we're multidimensional, right? We have more than one passion, and I have several passions that I would definitely like to share with you guys. And so I hope that that's okay. If you guys have subscribed to my channel for the recipes and you've been with me for the past 3 years, I know that sometimes change is, a little difficult to adjust to, but there's a reason. For one, I'm already sweating. Oh my goodness. I turned the air conditioner off because it's loud and I didn't want it to be like drowning out the video. But okay, so where do I start? Well, okay, so I am a mom. You guys all know that. I talk about my kids in the majority of my cooking videos. But in case you don't know, I'm a mom of 3. I have 3 children who are all grown, right? And I'll insert some videos, but I think I've talked about my kids, but I don't think I've actually ever shown you guys my kids. But my oldest is 22, and he is in the Navy. He is 5 years in the Navy now. Wow. 5 years in the Navy now. And my daughter, which is my only daughter, she is 20, and she just completed her first year of college. And then I have my baby boy, is 18, and he just graduated, and he is now working his first full-time job. So all of my babies are grown, right? So when I first started my channel 3 years ago, I was cooking a lot more because I still had my younger 2 were still at home full time, and they were still in school. They were in high school still. So obviously I was cooking a lot more, and because I was cooking a lot more, I was uploading recipe videos a lot more frequently than I have in the recent past. And that's because I had people to cook for, right? But now that they are all grown and they're all doing their own thing, I don't cook as often, which is why you guys don't get recipes as frequently as you used to. If you've been with me since the beginning, you are an OG part of the fam, then you know that I was like knocking out recipe videos. But as you can tell, for the past year, they have drastically slowed down because I just don't cook as often. I'm not in the kitchen as often. It doesn't mean that I don't love to cook anymore. But when I cooked, I like to cook for my family. And then I would always, record and share that with you guys. But not as much cooking anymore. So there are other things that I am passionate about, that I love, and I want to expand my channel so that I can give you a little bit more consistent content with the things that I enjoy. So that's going to be the changes. I want to start incorporating some travel into my channel. I think I've done one travel video in the past 3 years. It was a Frontier airline review, which a lot of you guys have actually enjoyed. That video got some pretty good views on it. But I did a Frontier airline review probably about 2 years ago. But I have been traveling a lot, like a lot of domestic travel. I haven't done anything international, obviously. We won't mention why on the video, but obviously. But yeah, I haven't done any international yet. But, and also too, because of health issues, is why I've been doing all domestic travel. But I've done a lot of travel, especially in 2021. Since January, since my daughter's birthday in January, I have been fortunate enough to travel to a lot of different places. I'm actually on a trip right now, as you can tell, the typical hotel artwork in the background. But I'm on a trip right now, and once I get back home, I will put that footage together and give you guys, I guess, like my first official travel vlog. I wouldn't call it a travel vlog. It's going to be another sit down with a lot of travel footage in it. But I love to travel. That is something that I have been doing since I was 2. Just being a child that grew up in the military, and just having a love for going all over different places. I used to work for a major airline. I used to be a flight attendant. So I've always gone all over the place, and travel has definitely been a passion of mine. And I'm excited with the recent travel that I've been doing, because now I'm traveling as a solo, a solo woman over 40, travel. So it's been pretty interesting to travel the way that I like to travel, and go and explore and do the things that I like to do. And do it by myself, and a lot of self-discovery on this travel journey. And I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And so I want to be able to share that with you guys. That's another passion of mine, another passion besides cooking and traveling, and my family, obviously. I love gardening. I love herbalism. I have been learning homeopathic remedies, and really getting my green thumb and planting. And I love it. I love being outside in the dirt and watching things grow. And I love learning about different herbs that are great for healing. So that's another thing that, if you guys don't mind, I would love to incorporate into my channel as well. And so yeah, I feel like it's really odd talking about yourself. I feel like I'm doing like a dating profile, like, hi, my name is Tammicia, and I love long walks on the beach, and poetry and music and whatever. But yeah, so wow, I just wanted to just check in with you guys and let you know that I am still here. I'm still here, and I will definitely still continue to put up recipe videos, because like I said, that's my heart. That is that's my I just love to cook. More so loving to cook, I love to share with other people. So I love to watch, like my family's face when they really enjoy something that I spent hours in the kitchen trying to prepare. And I love, love, love reading you guys' comments on my recipes when you come back and say that you tried it and you prepared it for your family and they love it. Or you guys come back multiple times and be like, hey, this is my third time making this, just wanted to let you know. Like I read those, and my heart is always full every single time I get, messages and comments from you guys that have tried my previous videos. So, okay, I don't want to continue to ramble on. I actually am needing to pack up this room and head on my journey. So I don't want to hold you guys, but I hope I covered everything, and I hope that this counts as an official channel intro. Does it? I don't know. I hope so. But I hope that you guys are all healthy mentally and physically. I hope that your hearts and your spirits are full and happy. All right, guys. So that is it for today. And I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.